Imagine a world where oceans are made of lava, another where it rains shards of glass at thousands of kilometers per hour, and yet another so close to its star that it glows red hot like a coal. These aren't fantasy, they're exoplanets, alien worlds orbiting distant suns. Over 6,000 have already been confirmed, with thousands more candidates waiting to be checked. But which are the strangest, and which might be another Earth? Exoplanets are simply planets outside our solar system. The first were found in the 1990s. Since then, telescopes like Kepler and TESS have discovered thousands by watching tiny dips in starlight as planets pass in front of their stars. The James Webb Space Telescope goes a step further, studying some of their atmospheres and chemistry. We found everything from super Jupiters to rocky Earth-sized worlds, and some are truly extreme. Let's meet a few of the wildest. HD 189733b, the Glass Rain World. This is a hot Jupiter, a giant planet parked scorchingly close to its star. Winds scream around the globe at roughly 2 kilometers per second, over 5,000 miles per hour. The atmosphere likely contains tiny silicate grains. Translation: when it rains, it may rain glass-like particles, blasted sideways at supersonic speeds. From space, the planet looks deep blue, but it's anything but peaceful. 55 Cancri E, the Lava World. About 41 light-years away, this rocky super-Earth is roughly twice Earth's size and orbits its star in about 18 hours. Its dayside temperature soars well above 2,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt metal. Early diamond world ideas didn't hold up, and newer observations suggest a superheated landscape of molten rock. There may even be a thin atmosphere rich in carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide, possibly fed by volcanic outgassing from a global magma ocean. Imagine a world that glows, churns, and never truly cools. The TRAPPIST-1 system, 7 Earth-sized worlds around one tiny star. About 40 light-years away, an ultra-cool red star hosts 7 rocky planets packed tightly together. 3. TRAPPIST-1e, TRAPPIST-1f, and TRAPPIST-1g sit in the habitable zone, where liquid water could be possible under the right conditions. If you stood on one planet, others might loom huge in the sky, like neighboring moons. It's our best natural laboratory for studying families of rocky worlds. So far, though, the inner planets don't show signs of thick atmospheres, which makes them harsher than we hoped. Still, this system is a treasure map for future explorers. Proxima Centauri b, our closest potentially interesting neighbor. Just over 4 light-years away, Proxima b orbits in the habitable zone of the closest star to the Sun. It's a top target for the search for life, but there's a catch. Proxima Centauri is a flare-prone red dwarf that blasts its planet with intense radiation. Over time, those flares could erode an atmosphere. If life exists there, it might need to hide, underground, under ice, or beneath an ocean surface. Close, but not easy. So what do all these worlds teach us? Exoplanets are rewriting our place in the cosmos. For centuries we asked, is Earth unique? Now we know planets are common, on average roughly 1 or more per star. And they come in wild varieties: glass rain giants, lava oceans, frozen deserts, water worlds, and more we haven't imagined yet. Statistically, our galaxy alone could host hundreds of millions of potentially habitable rocky planets around Sun-like stars. Not all of them are Earth-like, of course, but even a tiny fraction would be astonishing. Every new discovery brings us a step closer to the biggest question of all. Are we alone? Maybe somewhere out there, on a planet orbiting a distant sun, another species is looking up at their night sky, wondering the same thing. And that's why the search for exoplanets isn't just science, it's a search for ourselves. If you enjoyed exploring alien worlds, subscribe for more journeys into the cosmos, because the universe is too vast to explore alone.